We
So
got the
guys,
Poppet fidget spinners.
Poppet fidget spinners finally arrived.
Yes.
Isaac wants me to open this one because he wants it. We have 4 of each. This one is for our cousin, so we're gonna leave that. And this one
is for our cousin too.
So,
And that's for me.
here, hold it.
Yeah, you got one. Yeah.
Like that.
You got one.
So
Man, not the one phone.
we're gonna
Look at all of these poppets.
so we're gonna open this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this, guys. This is Jeremy's.
Yeah.
Look at that. So we're gonna unbox the next one. No, we're gonna get your other one. Hold on. Isaac's other one. You would take that. So you want one? Alright, Jeremy, hold it. Make sure it's facing my hand. So we're gonna open this green one for Isaac. And Jeremy, point it at me. So we got all of these poppets in the bag. Yeah. Jeremy. Alright, so we got Isaac's green one. He doesn't want this one, so I'll be taking it. These are very easy to open.
Yeah.
So, and then here's mine. Spoon. So, and then here's Jeremy's. His looks cool. Literally, it's like the regular fidget spinner. So we have our poppets. I'm gonna open mine. So where's the pink one? You know, so this one is for our cousin, so we're gonna put that to the side. We're gonna open this one.
This one too.
So put that to the side. We're gonna open mine. My other one. So let's open it. So we have this one. So this is. So let's divide this into.
What you can do.
Jeremy, they know what you can do.
I got glasses.
So these are the groups. These are mine. These both are Jeremy's. These are Isaac's, but he doesn't want them.
Yeah,
So.
look.
And these are our cousins. So
Yeah, we have glasses.
So bye and have a good one. Woo-hoo.